This is a guided practice video. The topic is multiple step equations, and these are harder problems. Let's get started. Our first problem is 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equals 2x plus 6. Go ahead and solve this problem for x. Hit pause if you need more time. Alright, well the first thing I do is I distribute that 3. I have 3 times x plus 3 times 1. And that's going to equal 2x plus 6. Now I'm going to move my 2x to the other side because 2 is a smaller number than 3. 2x becomes minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x. Plus 3 equals 6. I'm going to move my plus 3 to the other side. It becomes minus 3. And I get x equals 3 as my answer. Here's the next problem. The quantity 3x plus 6 divided by 2 equals 10 plus 5x. Go ahead and get started. Solve this problem for x. If you need more time, hit pause. Alright, now I'm going to get rid of that divide by negative 2 and move that to the other side. Since it's dividing everything on the left by 2, then it's going to multiply everything on the right by 2. On the left I've got 3x plus 6 equals 20 plus 10x. Now I'm going to move my 3x over because it has a smaller number. And it becomes minus 3x. 6 equals 20 plus 7x. I'm going to rewrite the problem. And I get 6 equals 7x plus 20. Now I can move my 20 to the other side, and it becomes minus 20. Leaving me with negative 14 equals 7x. Divide by 7. Negative 2 equals x, or x equals negative 2. And that's the answer. Here's my next problem. 12x plus 5 equals 4 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Go ahead and solve this problem. Hit pause if you need more time. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to distribute my 4 through. 12x plus 5 equals 8x plus 4. Now, because 8 is smaller than 12, I'm going to move 8 to the other side. 12 minus 8x is 4x plus 5 equals 4. I will now move plus 5 to the other side. It becomes minus 5. 4x equals negative 1. And now I'm going to take my multiply by 4, change it to a divide by 4. X equals negative 1/4 is the answer. Here's our next problem. 10 minus x equals the quantity 17 plus x divided by 2. Go ahead and hit pause if you need more time. Now I can see that dividing by 2 is not going to work out well, so I'm going to avoid doing that. Instead, I'm going to take my divide by everything by 2, move it to the other side, and make it a multiply everything by 2. And then I'm going to distribute that through. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times negative x is negative 2x, and that's going to equal 17 plus x. Now, 1x is smaller than negative 2x, so that's going to go to the other side, leaving me with 20 minus 3x equals 17. I'm going to rewrite this problem, make it negative 3x plus 20 equals 17, because that makes it real easy to move my 20 to the other side. Negative 3x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by -3, and I get x equals 1. And here's our last problem. 1 divided by 3 times x plus 3 equals x plus 18. Or I could say 1/3 x plus 3 equals x plus 18. Go ahead and solve this problem for x. Hit pause if you need more time. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to take my 1/3 x. You know what? I don't like that 1/3. I'm going to get rid of my fractions just to make life easier for me. So before I do anything else, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. I do that because when I multiply both sides by 3, my fraction goes away. 3 times 1/3 is 1. So I get x plus 9 equals 3x plus 54. Now the problem might be easier to solve. I'm going to take my x to the other side because it's smaller than 3x, leaving me with 9 equals 2x plus 54. I'm going to take plus 54 to the other side so I can get x alone. It's going to become a minus 54. 9 minus 54 is 45, so 45 equals 2x. Take my times to the other side, it becomes divide by 2, and I get x equals 45 divided by 2. And that's the answer. If you need additional help with this, there's some more videos online, or you can re-watch the recorded lecture, or of course you can contact your instructor for help. Good luck!